Assalamu alaikum. Progressive Model School Main Campus Ramadan Special Class 8 and 9th. Welcome to month of Ramadan with the heart filled with peace, harmony and joy. May the divine blessing of Allah protect and guide you. Fasting of body is food for soul. Happy fasting and Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan month bring the happiness and much more and teach us about virtue and provide the way to protect from hell and get the chance in heaven. We must know something about Ramadan. What is Ramadan actually about? So it is the most sacred month of Muslims as God revealed the first verse of Quran Pak in Ramadan. Ramadan is a month of Allah whose beginning is mercy for us, whose middle is forgiveness for us. Ramadan is the best chance to ask Allah for forgiveness and whose end is freedom from fire. We should take a balanced diet plan in Ramadan. If we follow a balanced diet plan in Ramadan, so it's very helpful to build our body perfectly and it also gives strength to fight against the disease. So first is have a mindset of wanting to live a healthy life, our mindset, and we live a turmeric life. Second, we should always start our meal with fresh fruits because they fulfill our whole day energy. Third, we must take small portions of meal. Fourth, we take things without sugar. Fifth, it is very important to use fluid-filled things as much as possible during the month of Ramadan. Sixth, eat as many vegetables and fruits as possible in your diet. Health benefits of fasting. There is a medical benefits of fasting. First is our vital organs are at rest during fasting. Second, it eliminates the metabolic waste in our body. Third, it adjusts and normalizes the biochemistry of our body and also its secretions. Fourth, it absorbs the extra water in our body and decreases the swelling, diseased tissue and abnormal growth. Fifth is it rebuilds up the cells and tissues and gives more youthful strength to cells. Sixth, it improves our digestion system and also assimilation. Seventh, it gives more energy and builds our body perfectly and also gives strength to fight against disease. 7. It clears balance and strengthens our mind. 10 hugely rewarded deeds in Ramadan. First, we should do zikr in the month of Ramadan. Second, we should pray regularly. Third, be charitable. Fourth, we must breaking fast of persons. Fifth, we should offer all prayers in congregation and if there is any prayer left, so it must be performed after performing the qaza prayer. 6. Observe itikaf. 7. Search for Laylatul Qadr and we should worship as much as possible. 8. We must treat others with good manners. 9th, we should recite the Holy Quran because it is the best worship for us. 10th, we should prepare for Eid. We should bring new clothes for Eid, clean our houses and we should invite relatives and friends in our homes. A good deeds a day. We should good deeds in this month. Help the mother in preparing iftar and seher. Make a charity box and donate money. You can donate whatever you like. Pray for all Muslims and especially for sick persons. Recite Quran Pak for 15 minutes when you get time because it is the best worship for us. Offer prayer regularly 5 times in a day. Also perform Tarawih after Isha prayer. Clean up your room and put things in place without being asked. Make a prayer before you break your fast and thanks to Allah for all the blessings your life at iftar. Benefits while fasting. Fasting is a precious moment that comes every year, so it has many benefits that we take in the month of Ramadan. Ramadan brings us many benefits. First, gaining taqwa, driving closer to Allah, acquiring patience, striving for ihsan, refining manners, recognizing one can change, being more charitable, sensing unity of Muslims, learning discipline. We should recite the prayer of 3 decades in the month of Ramadan. First Ashra, Days of Mercy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Ighfir warham wa anta khairur rahimin. O my Lord, forgive and have mercy, and you are the best of merciful. Second Ashra, Days of Forgiveness. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhanbin wa atubu alayh. I seek forgiveness from Allah, my Lord, from every sins committed. Third Ashra, days of seeking. Allahumma ajirni minan nar. O Allah, save me from the hell fire. In this month of Ramadan, we should give Eid cards to each other because it feels great to give each other presents in the month of Ramadan. We must invite our relatives and friends in our homes and treat others with good manners because Ramadan teaches this lesson. So in the month of Ramadan, we should pray as much as you can. Allah, on this day, make my fast the fast of those who fast sincerely, and my standing up in prayers of those who stand up in prayers obediently. Awaken me in it from the sleep of the headless, and forgive me my sins. O God of the worlds, forgive me, O one who forgives the sinners.